Strength-based interviews are increasingly popular because employers want to understand what you naturally enjoy doing and where your talents lie. Unlike traditional competency-based interviews, which focus on how you've handled past situations, strength-based interviews aim to uncover your inherent abilities, motivations, and preferences. They help employers predict whether you'll thrive in a particular role and contribute positively to the team and organization. In a strength-based interview, questions are designed to reveal your genuine interests, your preferred way of working, and the activities that energize you. Employers want to know not just whether you can do the job but whether you will enjoy it and excel because it aligns with your natural strengths. Preparing for these interviews involves reflecting on your passions, recognizing your core strengths, and being able to communicate them confidently. In this video, we'll explore common strength-based interview questions, provide sample answers, and share practical tips to help you shine. Question 1. What do you enjoy doing most in your work or studies? Answer begins here. I enjoy problem solving and analyzing complex situations. For example, during my previous role, I was tasked with streamlining a workflow. I enjoyed identifying bottlenecks and creating solutions that improved efficiency. Finding patterns and making processes more effective energizes me and motivates me to take initiative. Tip: highlight activities that demonstrate your natural preferences and motivation. Question 2. What tasks make you feel most energized and engaged? Answer begins here. I feel most engaged when collaborating with a team to brainstorm ideas and implement solutions. I thrive on dynamic environments where I can combine creativity with practical problem solving. In my last group project, leading discussions and contributing innovative ideas kept me energized throughout the process. Tip: emphasize activities that align with the role you're applying for. Question 3. Can you describe a time when you felt completely in your element at work or school? Answer begins here. I felt in my element when managing a research project that required both data analysis and team coordination. I could focus on interpreting data, while also motivating teammates and ensuring deadlines were met. The combination of analytical and interpersonal tasks felt natural and rewarding. Tip: choose examples that showcase your natural strengths in real scenarios. Question 4. What are your key strengths? Answer begins here. My key strengths include critical thinking, effective communication, and adaptability. I enjoy tackling challenges that require creative solutions, presenting ideas clearly, and adjusting to new situations or tasks. These strengths help me deliver results efficiently while maintaining a collaborative approach. Tip: be specific and give examples that prove each strength in action. Question 5. How do you like to work, independently or as part of a team? Answer begins here. I enjoy a balance of both. I like independent work when analyzing data or planning projects, as it allows me to focus deeply. At the same time, I value team collaboration for brainstorming and implementing ideas. For instance, in my previous project, I analyzed data independently and then shared insights with the team, which led to effective decisions. Tip: show flexibility and self-awareness about your preferred working style. Question 6. Which type of tasks do you find most satisfying? Answer begins here. I find tasks that involve problem-solving and innovation most satisfying. For example, I enjoy designing solutions that improve efficiency or quality. When I implemented a small automation tool for our workflow, it reduced manual effort and saved time, giving me a sense of accomplishment. Tip: link your answer to results and positive outcomes. Question 7. How do you approach challenges or obstacles? Answer begins here. I approach challenges with curiosity and a focus on solutions. I like to break the problem down into manageable parts, analyze potential solutions, and test the most effective approach. In one instance, I encountered a system error during a critical project and resolved it by systematically isolating the cause, which prevented further delays. Tip: Demonstrate resilience, logical thinking, and a positive attitude toward challenges. Question 8. What motivates you to do your best work? Answer begins here. I am motivated by achieving tangible results and seeing my work make a difference. I also enjoy opportunities to learn and grow. In my last role, receiving feedback that my contributions improved efficiency for the team encouraged me to take on more responsibility and continue striving for excellence. Tip: highlight intrinsic motivation that aligns with the role and organization. Question 9. Can you give an example of when you used your natural strengths to succeed? Answer begins here. During a team project, I leveraged my organizational and communication strengths to coordinate tasks and ensure clear updates. By combining these natural abilities with analytical thinking, our team met the deadline and delivered a high-quality result. I realized then how using my inherent strengths not only helped me but also supported the team's success. Tip: show practical application of your strengths in achieving results. Question 10. How do you prefer to learn new skills? Answer begins here. I prefer hands-on learning, where I can apply concepts in real situations. I also complement this with reading and observing experts in the field. For example, when learning new software, I first explored tutorials and then practiced by completing small tasks, which helped me gain confidence quickly. Tip: indicate adaptability and a proactive approach to personal development. Question 11. What tasks do you avoid because they drain your energy? Answer begins here. I find repetitive, monotonous tasks less energizing, but I understand their importance and complete them efficiently. I focus on maintaining quality while balancing these tasks with more stimulating work that allows me to apply my strengths, like problem solving or creative analysis. Tip: be honest but show professionalism and willingness to fulfill responsibilities. Question 12. How do you maintain your performance under pressure? Answer begins here. I maintain performance by staying focused on my strengths and organizing my tasks effectively. When faced with tight deadlines, I prioritize critical work, delegate where possible, and use structured planning to manage stress. This approach helps me stay productive and deliver high-quality results. Tip: employers want to see self-awareness, stress management, and strategic thinking. Question 13. What feedback have you received that highlights your strengths? Answer begins here. Colleagues and supervisors often tell me that my ability to communicate clearly and organize tasks effectively stands out. For instance, I received recognition for coordinating a project that involved multiple teams and tight deadlines. This feedback reinforces my confidence in leveraging my natural strengths. Tip: reference concrete feedback to validate your self-assessment. Question 14. How do you identify your own strengths? Answer begins here. I identify strengths by reflecting on activities that energize me and where I achieve the best results. I also seek feedback from mentors, colleagues, and peers. For example, I realized my analytical thinking and collaboration skills are strengths after multiple team projects where these abilities contributed significantly to success. Tip: show self-awareness and a reflective approach to personal development. Question 15. Why are strength-based interviews important for employers? Answer begins here. Strength-based interviews help employers understand candidates' natural abilities and potential fit within the role. By focusing on strengths, employers can place candidates in positions where they are most likely to succeed and enjoy their work, leading to higher engagement, productivity, and retention. Tip: demonstrate that you understand the purpose of the interview and your own alignment with the role. Closing thoughts. Strength-based interviews differ from traditional interviews because they focus on what you enjoy and excel at naturally. Preparing for them involves self-reflection, identifying your core abilities, and thinking of examples that demonstrate these strengths in real-life situations. When answering, be honest, specific, and positive. Avoid trying to guess what the interviewer wants to hear, Employers are looking for genuine insight into your natural talents and motivations. By highlighting your strengths and showing how they align with the role, you increase your chances of making a strong, authentic impression that stands out among candidates.